Ibhunga lengcebiso ngokuziphatha laseRhawutini liqalise inkqubo entsha yokuqinisa ulawulo olunemigaqo yokuziphatha kunye nokongamela kurhulumente wephondo, esaziwa ngokuba yiGauteng Accountability Framework. Esi sikhokelo sijolise ekuqinisekiseni ukuba onke amalungu endlu yowiso-mthetho ukusuka kwinkulumbuso ukuya kumalungu ebhunga elilawulayo enza imisebenzi yawo ngokuthembekileyo nangokuhambelana ngemigangatho yokuziphatha. Le nkqubo iqhutywa ngokubambisana neengcali ezivela kwiDyunivesithi yasePitoli.
Njengoba ke kwethulwe uhlelo lokuhlola nokulandelwa eduze kwamalungu esishayamthetho, usihlalo weGauteng Ethics Advisory Council uSolomon Mabuza uchazeke kabanzi ngenjongo yokwethulwa kwenqubomgomo ezolawula lolu hlelo.
Basically, the objective of the Gauteng Executive Accountability Framework are to formalize a culture of accountability, institutionalize its application, and promote consistency in understanding and application. The GIAC, therefore, doesn't take accountability lightly, and it seeks to ensure that there are no fragmented levels of its application in Gauteng. We trust that this research will assist in formalizing work processes to ensure the consistent application of accountability.
Kanti ke lo ngomunye wabazokwenza uphenyo bephinde ke bethula imbiko mayelana nalenqubomgomo novela keNyuvesi yasePitoli, naye ke usike kwelijikayo ngokubaluleka kwayo ebuholini besifundazwe.
Accountability is pursued to ensure the proper management of public funds and assets, adherence to laws and regulations, efficient and effective service delivery, and the lawful making and execution of decisions by the Gauteng Executive. Additionally, pursuing accountability reduces instances of corruption, builds public trust in government, encourages ethical decision-making, and enhances the integrity of public office bearers.
Amaqembu aphikisayo kusifundazwe eGauteng abekhona athi ke isifundazwe singaphatheka ngendlela uma lolu hlelo lungeke liphelele emehlweni. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngeSesentini.